Good morning, student. Yesterday I am giving you one homework. You can just see this. Write a program to input the 5 subject marks and then find out the total and percentage. Also find out division as per the following conditions. So if percentage marks is greater than is equal to 60, your division is first. If your percentage marks is greater than is equal to 45 and less than 60, your division is second. If your percentage marks is greater than is equal to 33, your division is third. And if your division percentage marks is below 33, that means student is failing. So how we will make this program? Just see this. Class I have taken division. You can just take this util package. Public static void main. I have taken these variables: M for maths, S for science, C for computer, H for Hindi, SST, total and percentage. These variables I have taken for solution. Scanner class I have taken for inputting these 5 subject marks: math, science, computer, Hindi and SST. Now total is sum of all subjects marks. Sum of all subject marks I have stored in this T variable. Now for calculating the percentage, it is T into 100 upon 500. Now if percentage comes out to be greater than is equal to 60, it will print your 1 in Roman form. Else if P greater than is equal to 45 and then P less than 60, it will print your second. Else if P greater than is equal to 33 and P less than 45, your division is third. If percentage is less than 33, system.out.println, it will print your fail. Now you can see the output. I have entered 5 subject marks. First is 45, 55, 69, 80 and 90. Now total comes out to be 339. Now after calculating the percentage, it comes out 67. So it's greater than 60. So it will print your 1. Now see the next program of switch case. Write a program to find the area of circle, rectangle, square and triangle using switch case. Press 1 for calculating the area of circle. Press 2 for calculating the area of rectangle. Press 3 for calculating the area of square. Press 4 for calculating the area of triangle. Now class I have taken area over here. Public static void main. Import Java you can just take. Now after that class area, public static void main, string args. I have taken one variable n for taking the input from 1 to 4. Now I have just taken the system.out.println for displaying the message on the output screen, that is press number between 1 and 4. Now scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, n is equal to sc.nextEnt. In switch I have passed n variable. Now if user enters 1, it will calculate the area of circle. Now I have taken the variables over here, double A for area and R for radius. This radius I have taken user input sc.next double. I have taken the variable in double. A is equal to 3.14 asterisk r. Pi r square is the formula for calculating the area of circle. Now system.out.println, area of circle plus A. Now break I have applied. Now in case 2, you have to calculate the area of rectangle. I have taken integer L comma B comma A. L for length, B for breadth, and A for area. Now L and B I have taken user input. A is your L into B. System.out.println area of rectangle plus A and your break. Now case 3, for if user presses 3, it will print the area of square. Int s is equal to sc dot next int a is equal to s into s, that is your side square. System.out.println area of square plus a and your break. Now in case 4, you have to find the area of triangle, right angle triangle, which is your half base into height. For this we have taken user input of base and height. Base, now for calculating the area, int a is equal to half asterisk b asterisk h, and now for I will take this statement for printing the area of triangle plus a and your break. Now if user enters any value other than 1 to 4, it will go to the default value and it will print your wrong choice. Now press number between 1 and 4. It will print the statement as it is. Now if user presses 2, now it will enter L is 14 and B is 2. Now area of rectangle is equal to 14 into 2 is equal to 28. This will be your answer. Now if user presses value say 5, so it will print your wrong choice. Now this is your homework for tomorrow. You have to write a program to find the area of sphere, cylinder and cone using switch case. Press 1 to find the area of sphere, press 2 to find the area of cylinder, press 3 to find the area of cone. Thank you, students.